Olá! Bom, agora tem um momento especial. Eu quero convidar esse palco um dos grandes artistas. É uma banda que está fazendo um sucesso danado lá em São Paulo, Curitiba, e agora está fazendo até shows fora do exterior. Serginho, da banda U2 Cover, representa o Brasil. Serginho, e nada mais a canção que o Pavarotti gravou com o Bono, com a banda do U2, Messiah.
Is there a time for keeping your distance? A time to turn and rise you? Is there a time for keeping your head down? Forget all you feel there. Is there a time for keeping your head down? Forgetting all you feel there. Is there a time for high street shopping? To find the right dress to wear? Here she comes. Heads turn around. Here she comes. To take your crown. Heads turn around, here she comes. To take her crown. Is there a time to run for cover? Is there a time for kissing and tell? Is there a time for different colors, different names without it hard to spell? Is there a time for first communion? Is there a time for Christmas trees? Is there a time to turn to my heart? Is there a time to be a beauty queen? Here she comes. May we place the crown. Here she comes. Surreal in her crown. It's like a fever. Oh, my, Is there a time for keeping your head down? Forget all the parade. Is there a time for careless day? A time for crying out? Is there a time for hostage shopping? To find the lovers to wear? We should know. Let's turn around. Here she comes. Let's turn around. Here she
Mais aplausos pro Serginho. Olha, vocês podem ter oportunidade de escutar aqui falar com ele, Paulinho. YouTube Cover. Olha, o show é demais, hein? Né, maestro? Lotaram lá o HSBC. Recife também. Eles fazem com orquestra, um show maravilhoso ali. É isso?